विदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय।
आता तसेच नगराध्यक्ष श्री रायन रगांचं पुष्पचक्र घालतले। उपनगराध्यक्षा श्रीमती मालिन डिसूजा।
फायर ऑफिशियल्स, म्युनिसिपल स्टाफ, भाव भयणी, पयलीं म्हणजे तुमकां सगळ्यांक गजाली दिवसाची तुमकां सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा. हॅपी इंडिपेंडन्स टू वन एंड ऑल. तुमकां सगळ्यांक आयच्या इंडिपेंडन्स दिसाची परबी. आयज आमी जेन्ना आयचो दीस आमी सेलिब्रेट करतात आनी सेलिब्रेट करतना आमकां आवर कंट्री इज इंडिपेंडंट म्हणून आमकां एक सगळ्यांक प्रायड मुवमेंट आनी प्रायड म्हणटाना आमी जो आयज आमकां दीस आमी सेलिब्रेट करतात. खूब लोकांनी आमच्या देशा खातीर सॅक्रिफायस केला, बलिदान केला म्हणून आमकां आयचो दीस दिसून येता. आमचो महात्मा बापू म्हणटा पळय बापून आनी तेजी फुडारान तशेंच आमचे बाकीचे फ्रिडम फायटर तशेंच आमचे सैनीक जे आपल्या लायफ सॅक्रिफायस तेजे फॅमिलीक रिस्कान घालून आनी देशा खातीर जे सॅक्रिफायस केला तांकां आनी तेंचे सगळ्या फॅमिली म्हजो सगळ्यांक एक हांव सलाम करता. आयज जेन्ना आमी फ्रिडम स्ट्रगलाचेर उलयता आनी आयचो जो वेळ आमचो हो मातसो एक सिमिलर वेळ आमचो. एक कोरोना स्ट्रगल जो आमचो वेळ जालो आसा सद्याक आनी आयच्या दिसा आमी जे म्हापशान जे आमचे कोवीड वॉरियर्स आसा ते सिमिलर दे आर डुईंग समथींग व्हेरी सिमिलर टू फ्रिडम फायटर्स. आपलो लायफ रिस्कान घालून आपलो फॅमिलीचें लायफ रिस्कान घालून ते आमकां लागून आमच्या लोकांक लागून गोंयाक लागून इंडियेक लागून आनी आख्या संवसाराक लागून दे आर फायटींग सो दॅट वी रिमेन सेफ. तेंकांय सगळ्यांक आमी सलाम करताय. आयज कोरोनाचें उलयतना म्हाका दिसता आमची टीम म्हापसाची आहा एंड इट इज अ प्रायड मुवमेंट म्हणटा. टीम म्हापसा म्हणटना फक्त म्हापसा मुन्सिपालिटीची उलयना, फक्त म्हापसा मुन्सिपालिटी आमची टीम आसा, पूण बाकीचे जे आमचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफकोर्स मॅडम हेगेशी हांव रेग्युलर उलयता, दोतोर पेडणेकर आमचो MS, आमचो फायर PI, सेम विथ PI लोटलीकर, आनी हॉस्पिटलान आनी आमचे डॉक्टर शेरल, मागीर आमची श्वेता, अर्पणा, डॉक्टर उत्कर्श, आमचे ते आमचो CO कपिल शिरगांवकर, आमचे सॅनिटायझींग टीम ऑफकोर्स लेड बाय आमचो सुनील नाईक, 24 hours काम करतात. आनी 24 hours काम करून ना म्हणून बेसिकली कितें जाता एक टेस्टिंग टायम आनी म्हाजे दिसान खूब बरें काम चालू आहा तेंचें. आमी वी आर वर्किंग एज वन टीम एंड आय थिंक जाता तितले आमी म्हापशा खातीर जाता तितले आमी तितलो प्रिकॉशन घेतलेले आहा एंड आय थिंक वी आर डुईंग अ गुड जॉब. लोकूय कॉपरेट करतात. म्हाका कोरोनाचें उलयतना म्हाका हें एक सांगचें कशें दिसता, कोरोना जावप लॉस न्ही, इट इज नॉट अ शेम. आमचे लोक फटयतात. आमी आयज देशभक्त म्हणून जेन्ना आमी उबे रावतात हांगा, आमी जेन्ना आमी इन्फेक्ट जातात, अफेक्ट जातात, आमचे कॉन्टॅक्ट ट्रेसिंगान आमी जेन्ना फोट उलयतात, वी आर पुटींग आवर कंट्री इन टू रिस्क. आमी जेन्ना कंट्रीक रिस्कान घालता, आमचो फूल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक आमी रिस्कान घालतात. फक्त देशभक्त म्हणून कांय फायदो ना. देशभक्त म्हणून यू हॅव टू बिहेव लायक अ देशभक्त. आमचो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आमची जबाबदारी, आमचे सैनीक जेन्ना आमच्या बॉर्डरी सॅक्रिफायस करतात, आमकां लागून करतात. आमी आमी आमच्या आमचो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लोकली, आमचो स्वताचो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आमी वावरपाची गरज आहा. देवाचें काम कितें आहा तें देव करतलो. देवान कोणाक सांगूंक ना कायदे मोड, देवान कोणाक सांगूंक ना मास्क घालनाका, प्रिकॉशन घेनाका म्हणून. देव आपलें काम आमी देवाक, देव सुप्रीम, देवाक कितें करूंक जाय तें देव करतलो. आमचें काम कितें तें आमची जबाबदारी. आमी थ्रू देशभक्त जाल्यार आमी बरे भशेन वावरूंक जाय एंड इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आनी म्हाजो एकटो एक मित्र म्हाका सांगतालो, आमचो मायंडसेट असो आला, वी आर स्टिगमॅटीक अगेन्स्ट कोरोना पेशंट्स आनी फॅमिली. पयस करतात, अनटेजेबल पळय तांकां ट्रीट करूंक लागले. हें दुयेंस जें आहा पळय, हें दुयेंस कोणाकूय जावंक शकता, म्हाका जावंक शकता, कोणाकूय जावंक शकता. आनी आमी हे दुयेंसाक समज आमी डिफीट करतले, म्हाजे हिसपान इट इज ऑल आवर जॉब. आमी सगळ्यांक जबाबदारी घेवन वी हॅव टू फायट विथ इंडिया अगेन्स्ट कोरोना. तेन्ना आमी सक्सेसफूल जातले. एक आय थिंक सिमटम्स पासून आसत आमी कितें देव भरोसा वी टेक डिसिजन. पूण कितें सिमटम्स आसत जाल्यार इट इज बेटर टू टेस्ट करप. टेस्ट करून सोदप. इट इज आमकांय बरें आनी कोण कुशीक आसता आनी बाकीचे कोण आसता पळय तेंकांय आमी सेफ गार्डन घालतात. आय थिंक आमी हुंचोरी मातशें बरे भशेन आमी प्रिकॉशन घेवन जाल्यार काम जातलें. चवथीक म्हणून आमी थोडोसो एक एडवायजरी काडलेली आहा. चवथ आमची चवथ म्हणजे इट इज गोवास आनी म्हापसाक बिगस्ट फेस्टिवल जातलोच. पूण म्हाजो एक अपील सगळ्यांक, एक आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीन बारीकसो एक एडवायजरी काडलेलो आहा, मातशें तुमी फॉलो करची एडवायजरी. तितले आमची कितें जाता, एक आमचो एक विचार आसलो की बाजारान चड लोड हाडचे न्ही. वी हॅव टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट द बाजारान गरज जाता तशें रिस्ट्रिक्ट करपाचें आमचो प्रयत्न आहा. पूण तितून तुमी सगळे कॉपरेट करीत जाल्यार बरे भशेन जातलें. आमचे कॉन्सिलर पासून काम करतात. थ्रू कोरोना सगळे कॉन्सिलर भायर सरतात. हांव DC कॉन्सिलर म्हणटा, काम करतात भायर सरतात. दे वील बी ते चवथ मेरेन अप टू कोरोना आसलेले. लोकांक आमकां निवडून हाडल्या, सेवा करूंक निवडून हाडल्या. ह्या टायमार आमी भिवपाचें पडना. आमी सगळे, हांव एग्जाम्पल कोणाचें घेयना, पूण आमचे 20 कॉन्सिलर एक्टिवा घेयनासतना एगेन रिस्क घेयनासतना भायर सरतात. हें एप्रिशिएट करपाचें म्हणा. निमाणें म्हणजे आमच्या आम्ही अंदू चवथ एक विसर्जन करपाचो आमचो एक इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतलेलो बोडगिनी आमच्या एक्स चेअरपर्सन रोहन गवळेकर हांचे जी इनिशिएटिव्हान तेणेन आमचो रोटरी क्लबाक कॉलॅबरेट करून फक्त आमचो 50% एक्सपेंडिचर आमी काम चालू केला सद्याक तरी देवाचे हितून म्हजो पावस कमी जाता आमचें काम बरें भशेन जाता म्हणून म्हाका तेका हांव चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा बाकीची जी आमची कामां जी आसली पळय मुन्सिपालिटी जी म्हापशेची आमी जी इनिशिएट केला गॅरेज प्रोजेक्ट नीट प्रोजेक्ट चालू आहा काम 20 करोडाचें काम 20 करोड मार्केट प्रोजेक्ट काम आमचें गॅरेज प्रोजेक्ट काम चालू आमचो MRF फॅसिलिटीचें काम चालू आहा बाकीचे आमी हाऊस कीपिंग आनी बाकीचे जे आमी सोदताले पळय ते मातशें खंय तरी कोरोनाक लागून खंय तरी डिले जायना बट वी आर ट्रायंग टू आउटसोर्स जाता ती इमिडिएटली जातली रोड जे म्हापश्यान मातशें खंय तरी पिड्यार जाला आनी इट इज अ फॅक्ट हांव डिनाय करूंक शकना रोड मातशे पिड्यार जाल्या होंडक्या पडल्या आमी कित्याक कांय कारणाक लागून आमी शिरकल्यात आमी काय केल्यात आमचो मेन पावर खंय तरी आनी आमकांय त्रास जाता काम करून पूण एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आमी घेतात जाता जाय 3-4 दिसाचो बरो एक वर्साचो टॅक्स मेळत जाल्यार आमी कंप्लीट तें काम कितें आसा पळय एटलिस्ट एक टेम्पररीली कंप्लीट करतले इतलेंच म्हणून हांव तुमकां परत एकदां आयच्या ह्या दिसाची तुमकां सगळ्यांक परबी एंड आय थिंक इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
Let's not forget the supreme sacrifices made by the freedom fighters who have worked tirelessly with no fear or fear of life to ensure that we, the future generations, are born in a free India that we live in today. On this day, we pay tribute to our great leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Mr. Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. Mahatma Gandhi revolutionized the freedom struggle movement with his principles of ahimsa and non-violence, which is admired by the world over. Even today, his virtues, principles have impacted the lives of millions and inspired many more to take up non-violent forms of agitations and protest. As we sing our patriotic song and feel nostalgic today, let us strive on ways to pay respect to our great leaders who have selflessly fought for the freedom of our motherland. We are forced to maintain distance today and wear masks as we assemble in public, and this definitely is a humble experience and also teaches us the value of freedom. COVID-19 has gripped the world in the beginning of this year, and India has been right in the front of the fight with the early national lockdown and preventive measures being called by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi, along with our on-ground operations of the MHA, healthcare, medical, police, disaster management teams. We have been successful in many ways at curbing the rise of the virus due to timely intervention by our government. A lot of people have faced hardship initially without access of groceries, vegetables and other essentials. But the Mapsa Municipal Council as well as the state government have managed to provide relief to many stranded migrant workers, needy families both in Mapsa and across Goa. The government has provided free rations to BPL and added an extra quota of grain to APL ration card holders. The central government is keen on fast-tracking One Nation, One Ration Card scheme and tackling the issue faced by migrants in the future. Our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Chief Secretary, Department of Health Services, GMC, the Collectorates, Goa Police, Disaster Management, Fire Department have been instrumental in fighting COVID-19. Their prompt response to suspected cases, contact tracing, containment zones, and the setting up of COVID hospitals and COVID care centers across the state has dampened the impact of the virus. Recently, 4 private hospitals have also been added to the COVID hospital list. Testing rate per million in Goa is the highest in the country, and timely treatment is being provided to symptomatic patients throughout the centers along with the nodal officers assigned to the home isolation centers. I am aware of the enormous effort, mental stress and strain on the students, youth, parents due to the uncertainty of schools and educational institutions reopening. A number of job opportunities that are lost with the current scenario for the freshers and recently graduated students. However, there is some good news. The Government of India has recently announced the Education Policy 2020, which will change the way the education system has been functioning and will let students choose their subjects and liking earlier in the system. It will be progressive and radically change the future of India. The student fraternities are being encouraged to pursue online education courses, virtual classrooms, webinars and video conferences. Youth are being encouraged to take up entrepreneurship, IT, e-commerce, agriculture, manufacturing and semi-skilled and skilled careers. The state government, through various startup policies, loan schemes and subsidies, are providing abundant assistance to budding entrepreneurs. Farming and IT are promoted with equal weight. Have faith, my friends. You will come through. Resilience is in our genes. We are witnessing the digital age of modern India. The priority of the state government and local bodies is now to prevent the spread of the pandemic and to curb the rise in the cases. All government machinery and funds are being directed to tackling the crisis and focus on saving lives and providing infrastructure and support towards healthcare and prevention of the contingent. This has set us back with a number of development projects and plans for our city. However, we have managed to take up hot mixing of roads from Maruti Temple to Karaswara, hot mixing of road from Mapsa Court Junction to Heartbeat in Pede. Before the onset of the monsoon, trimming of branches over power lines, cleaning of storm drains, desilting of drains, nallas, water bodies in Mapsa by PWD, MMC, WRD and Electricity Department. The entire Mapsa market drains was thoroughly desilted, preventing any flooding. Even after the increased rain, we saw various parts of Goa being submerged. I would like to thank our ex-CEO, Sri Glenn Madeira, for his on-ground effort during this drive. The MMC, along with GWMC, managed to clear up the legacy waste accumulated over the last 20 years at the municipal solid waste site at Asano Plateau. The low-lying area of Dansawada, which was prone to flooding, was provided relief by clearing of traditional waterways before the onset of monsoon. During lockdown 1.0, vegetable and grocery vendors were stationed at each ward. Also, home delivery services were provided in all wards with the support of the Mapsa Municipal Council. The entire Mapsa market, fish market, was sanitized by fire department as well as individual wards under the supervision of our councillors. The Mapsa Municipal Council was one of the first municipalities in Goa to provide immunity boosting tablets to all the citizens of Mapsa, as were the first to launch door-to-door collection of house tax system along with Axis Bank. The MMC strives to reopen the Mapsa market as per the NHA guidelines and social distancing norms to ensure that vendors, sellers have a safe environment to carry out their businesses and as well as shoppers to shop freely. The Mapsa interim bus stand is currently awaiting a nod from the Mapsa Municipal Council so as to undertake the project with the 14 finance funds. As the government has kept all projects on hold to divert funds towards the pandemic, the bus stand is the highest priority for the Mapshakars. The proposed 4 overhead tanks at 4 strategic locations will cater to the water demands of the city. The Ravindra Bhavan land conversion has been approved by the NGPDA and the same has been sent to PCP for further approval. The Tar Bridge, unfortunately, is kept on hold until the 1st of May 2021 as per the board resolution of GSIBC. The municipal library restoration work will be undertaken by PWD post 30th December due to the pandemic. All internal roads of Mapsa, which were supposed to be hot mixed throughout through the municipal funds, but were delayed due to COVID-19 and the onset of monsoon, will be completed as soon as the monsoon subsides. In many ways, the pandemic has taught us the actual necessities of life and how we should live a healthy lifestyle and spend time with our families. True independence is being self-sufficient in what we have along with healthy work life, the balance. At least we need to be warm, mental, and have a roof over our heads. Dear brothers and sisters, it is imperative that we, as a responsible citizens of India, do our part in maintaining social distancing, wear our masks when we move in public, wash our hands with soap frequently to help contain the virus from spreading further. The MMC has made provisions for the Mazali Bazaar and 4 other areas in Makta to avoid crowding in the market. I hope that each and every one of us celebrate this coming function of Ganesh Chaturthi responsibly by maintaining the rules laid down by the government and following the guidelines. We are right now in the most critical part of the pandemic, and it is each and everyone's responsibility. It is our responsibility to ensure that we contribute by preventing the spread of the virus by following the guidelines. Together with everyone's contribution, let us support the government, our local
सगळ्यांना विनंती असा की सगळ्यांनी टाळी वाजून त्याचे अभिवादन करतो. आता सत्कार जातलं श्री किशन नाईक हांचं. फुडलं सत्कार जातलं श्री भारत शेळके हांचं. फुडलं सत्कार जातलं श्री लक्ष्मण वायदोंडे हांचं. फुडलं सत्कार जातलं श्री मंजुनाथ खोसमानी हांचं. आता सत्कार जातलं श्री प्रवीण कोल्हे पनवार हांचं. धन्यवाद सर. तसंच फुडलं फुडलो सत्कार फुडलो सत्कार जातलो श्री दिनकर माची आजिलो हॉस्पिटल.